Here's how to turn off cell data on your iPhone. So there's two spots we're going to look at. The quickest way is in that upper right hand corner. You can swipe down to pull up the control center. Inside that upper left bubble, on default, your cell data is going to be that green area. So we can click into that bubble and then we can click on cell data and it will actually turn it off. So that tapping on that cell data will toggle it on or off. And that's an easy temporary way to turn cell data off. If you want to turn it off more permanently on your phone, you can go to your settings app and then you're going to want to, in the very top area here, we're going to see cellular. So at the top, in the middle, we're going to find cellular, tap on that, and we can see cellular data where we can turn that off as well. Now the last place actually that I'll show you is turning cell data off per app. And so I believe if you scroll down, you'll start to see all these different apps that are on your device. You'll see which ones have cell data toggled on, which ones have it toggled off. And so you can turn on or off cell phone data for specific apps so that those apps are allowed to use cell data or not. And that's how you can turn off cell data on the iPhone.